Hello friends, welcome to Crazy Crochet Work. Let's see some beautiful crochet floor rug designs model. Crochet rug design is the art of creating decorative and functional rugs using crochet techniques with yarn, fabric stripes, jute, cotton cord or chunky wool. These rugs are handmade by looping yarn with a crochet hook to form different patterns, textures and shapes. Crochet rugs are popular in farmhouse, cottage, boho, vintage, or rustic home decor because they add warmth, softness, and handmade charm to a space. Here are some common types of crochet rug design. Rounded crochet rugs, perfect for bedrooms, reading corners, or under small tables. They often feature floral, mandala, or lace-inspired patterns. Oval crochet rugs, common in farmhouse kitchens and hallways because they create a cozy traditional look. Next, granny square rugs made from connected crochet squares with colorful vintage-style patterns. Next, chunky crochet rugs created with thick yarn or beaded fabric stripe for a soft and modern cozy appearance. Floral crochet rugs feature flower-inspired designs that work beautifully in cottage or shabbatic interiors. Rustic jute crochet rugs made with natural jute or rope for an earthy farmhouse aesthetic. Crochet rugs are often used in living rooms, cottage kitchens, entryways, bedrooms, reading corners, and bathroom decor. A crochet rug gives a home a cozy handmade feeling while also adding texture and personality to the decor. Here are some cozy and stylish tips for decorating with crochet rugs designs in your home. Choose soft, neutral colors like cream, beige, dusty rose, chess cream, and soft gray crochet rugs. Create a warm cottage and farmhouse atmosphere. Layer rugs for a cozy look. Place a small crochet rug over a layered jute or oven rugs to add texture and depth. Use round rugs in small spaces. Round crochet rugs work beautifully in reading corners, beside the bed, under accent tables, and cottage kitchen. Try vintage-inspired patterns like floral motifs, lace-style crochet, and granny square patterns. Give a nostalgic handmade charm. Match rugs with crochet decor. Pair crochet rugs with crochet pillow covers, crochet blankets, crochet table journers, and handmade baskets. This creates a beautifully coordinated cottage-style interior. Use natural materials. Cotton yarn and jute create a rustic farmhouse appearance that feels simple and elegant. Here are even more creative tips for making your crochet floor rug beautiful, durable, and full of cozy vintage charm. Choose the right stitch for durability. Some stitches hold up better on the floor. Single crochet for strongest and tightest. Half double crochet for soft but still sturdy. Waistcoat stitch, extra dense and polished. For rugs simple and tight, usually works best. Prevent curling as you crochet. If your rug starts curling, loosen your tension a little. Make sure you are increasing stitches correctly, especially for round rugs. Lay it flat often to check the shape. Add subtle vintage details to match your favorite grandma core or cottage style. Try soft floral colors, delicate lace-like borders, muted striped patterns, old-fashioned granny square motifs. Try an ombre color effect. Use yarn that changes gradually from light to dark. It makes the rug look artistic and elegant without extra work. Make it reversible. Choose a stitch pattern that looks nice on both sides so you can flip the rug and use it longer. Reinforce high traffic areas for rugs used in kitchens or entryways. Add extra tight stitches, a second backing layer, fabric or felt. Thicker yarn in the center. Stir flat, not folded. When not using your rug, roll it gently instead of folding. Keep it in a dry place. This helps prevent creases and keeps the shape smooth. Personalize your rug. Make it special with your favorite colors, a flower motifs in the center, as cloth edged, matching colors with your room decor. Enjoy the handmade imperfection. A small difference in handmade crochet make your rug unique. Those little imperfections often add the most charm, especially in vintage-inspired homes. A crochet floor rug can become a beautiful statement piece that makes your home feel warm, nostalgic, and lovingly handmade. Layer your crochet rug. Try placing your crochet rug on top of a larger natural rug like jute or sisal. This creates more texture. A designer layered cordless look, extra comfort underfoot. Add floral inspired design. Since vintage cordless decor loves florals, try daisy or rose motifs, petal shaped borders, or flower granny skirts joined together. This can make the rug feel like a blooming garden indoors. Use neutral colors for timeless style. Classic shades like soft cream, antique white, warm oatmeal, vintage shades, and dusty lavender blend beautifully with vintage furniture and won't go out of style. Try a scrap yarn rug. Use leftover yarn pieces to create a colorful patchwork style rug. It gives a charming handmade look. Lace yarn waist, a nostalgic grandmother's home feeling. Keep the center extra strong. The center gets the most pressure, so start with a tight magic ring. Use tighter stitches there. Check for stressing as you go. Add fabric backing for extra life. Sewing a soft cotton or linen backing underneath can protect the stitches, help the rug keep its shape. Add a polished professional finish. Match your room smooth. Choose patterns based on the space. First bedroom, use soft round rug for coziness. Kitchen, narrow oval rug for practicality. Living room, statement mandala or large rectangle. For reading nook, a small floral rug by a chair. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe our channel. Happy crocheting!